morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Naina. Tina or Naina?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Kanika.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Pavni.
ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning, Jigyasa.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Akansha. Akansha comes only on Mondays, huh, Akansha?
No, ma'am. It's not like that.
Then,
Ma'am, I try to join as much as I can.
okay.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning, beta. Acha, quickly tell me what we were doing.
And we have to discuss.
We have to continue right of.
No, okay, wait. Gargi, we have to discuss.
History of civics.
Now, see, for this week, what I have planned for you all, we'll be doing, I think, several chapters we have done, but then some of the chapters, question answers we have not done. Some of the chapters, flowcharts have not been done. So for this week, exclusively, we'll be covering up that leftover things that are there, right?
Okay, ma'am.
And if we are done with that, then we will we'll go for the worksheets, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, Gargi, what we have to discuss today? Which questions?
Ma'am, civics chapter 4.
Okay, civics chapter 4 question answers we have to discuss. Fine. And what about the previous 2 chapters that are there?
Ma'am, that we have done.
That we have already done. Right. Flowcharts also done for both the chapters?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
And questions are left for second chapter.
Puneet, you are joining from 2 devices because it is showing Puneet joining.
No, ma'am, one device I have.
तो ये इसको अगर हमें हटाना हो तो हम कैसे हटाएं, क्योंकि पुनीत, ये देखो दोनों 2 पुनीत आ गए हैं शायद. Only one is there?
Yes, ma'am, only one is.
ठीक है, then it is fine.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Jigyasa?
Ma'am, that day you told me that we'll do extra questions for chapter 1 civics.
Ha, right. Because only 2 questions are there, detailed questions.
Yes, ma'am.
And that worksheet is also left.
Ha, worksheet. This is what, no, so this week I have planned this only. Will not,
chapter 1.
will not start anything new. Reason being, let us cover up the previous things that we have done and we will completely finish them and then we'll proceed on to the new things, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Somebody is asking that what exactly we need to do in the notebooks. See, because these are online classes, I am not there to keep a track on your work. Once the schools open, then only I'll be able to go through it. So whatever we are doing in the class as worksheets, that you need to be regularly doing in your notebooks. Then make sure that you are doing question answers of the chapter that we are doing, plus the flowcharts which are there. Flowcharts are important because they add weightage to your answer when you write it, right? And it also,
Yes, ma'am.
it also works as, you know, headings for the question answers, because if you remember the if you write the flowchart, if you make the flowchart for a particular question, then you will simultaneously get to write related related things also for the answer through the flowchart, right?
Yes, ma'am. Until 96 questions.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine, fine. So as today it is history, so let us go for history or civics.
Ma'am, history worksheet chapter 1.
Civics chapter discuss like question
Ma'am,
answer.
civics.
Let
We
us
have to continue rise of nationalism worksheet also.
fine. So that worksheet will continue in the last period that we have, right? We have last period also today.
Yes,
But
ma'am.
you said in that period we will do the flowcharts.
तो वो दोनों चीजें हो जाएंगी, क्वेश्चन आंसर्स भी हो जाएंगी, क्योंकि क्वेश्चन आंसर्स थोड़े ही तो है, ज्यादा नहीं है ना, तो वो हम तुरंत डिस्कस करना शुरू कर देंगे क्वेश्चन आंसर्स. ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
Beta, what you can do is you can use these flowcharts. Like I think when we do the flowcharts, these are topic wise. So it can help you. These flowcharts help you in writing your answers. Like I saw it 2 years back when we did the corrections of the board papers. There was a child, don't know girl or a boy. Uh, that child had before every question, long detailed questions that they were which were asked. Before every detailed question, he or she had written, uh, the child made the flowchart and then explained the whole answer. So that way it was giving a very good impact. Reason being, what was written in the flowchart, that was later on elaborated in the form of answer. So that way I feel these flowcharts are very good, right?
Yes,
And
ma'am.
you can go topic wise also for the flowcharts. And if you feel there are not all topics are very important, you can go for specific topics. Like if you remember chapter 1, we have done the flowcharts. They are all topic wise: unification of Germany, unification of Italy. So that way the topic also becomes easy, and it is easy to remember the main heads, and then we can always go for the detailing, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Okay, so let us start with the extra questions of civics chapter 1. Shall I dictate?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, just a second.
I'm just a minute, ma'am. Notebook.
Keep your books with you. I'll be reading out from the book only, okay? Topic 5.
I'm chapter 1 of civics.
Shall I start?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm chapter 1.
Yes, chapter 1. Page number 2. Sorry, page number 3. See, the question is, what was the ethnic composition of Sri Lanka? Sorry, what is the ethnic composition of Sri Lanka?
And can you please repeat the question?
What is the ethnic composition of Sri Lanka?
Ma'am, we have to write these in notebooks or book?
That is completely your wish. If you want to write it directly in the notebooks, you write it directly in the notebooks only, right?
Yes, ma'am. Done.
Written? Then
And first we have to write all the questions.
हाँ बेटा, पहले क्वेश्चंस लिख लेते हैं. आंसर्स तो हम आपको रेंडमली बता ही देंगे, ठीक है?
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
First question is, what is the ethnic composition of Sri Lanka? Second part of this question is, how the Sri Lankan government dealt with the problem of power sharing.
I'm going to repeat the question.
How the government dealt with the problem of power sharing. This is for Sri Lanka, okay?
Ma'am, written.
Written?
Ma'am, please wait.
Okay, okay.
Ma'am, can you please repeat the second part?
Second part is how the government dealt with the problem of power sharing.
Ma'am, written.
Okay, next question you write.
Ma'am, it is dealt.
DEALT, dealt, yes.
And DALT.
DEA, deal होता है deal. पहले लिखो आप deal,
Yes, ma'am.
उसके बाद टी लगा दो.
Okay,
Dealt
ma'am.
होता है, ठीक है. चलिए, next question is, when did Sri Lanka become independent? When did Sri Lanka become independent?
Yes, ma'am.
Continue the question and second part of the question. How did the Sinhala community
Yes, ma'am.
seek to secure dominance over government and why?
Ma'am, written.
And no, the question is not over. And the third part is, what were its effects? What were its effects?
Can you repeat the second part?
Second part is, how did the Sinhala community
Ma'am, written.
seek to secure dominance over government and why? Written?
Yes, ma'am.
All have written?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Next.
ma'am.
Next question is, what are some of the basic elements? This is now from the Belgium part.
Ma'am,
What-
this is the fourth question.
This is the third question.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, what are some of the
What are some of the basic elements of the Belgian model
Belgium or Belgian?
Belgian, BELGIN, Belgian model of power sharing?
Ma'am, it is Belgian?
Belgian, yes.
Ma'am, can you please repeat the question?
What are some of the basic elements of the Belgian model of power sharing?
Yes, ma'am, written.
Then next question is, see the question that I am telling you, next question, it is in addition to that only, like it is either the first one or the second one. The questions are different, but the answer would be same, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Describe the path of accommodation. Describe the path of accommodation adopted in Belgium,
Ma'am, can you please repeat?
describe the path of accommodation adopted in Belgium
Yes, ma'am.
then after full stop what were its consequences? नहीं हर्ष बेटा मैप तो नहीं करना है आपको, बट आपको मैप से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस आ सकते हैं बच्चे, ठीक है। तो जब आप रिवाइज करोगे तो आप मैप को एक बार रिवाइज कर लेना। वैसे तो एक्सट्रैक्ट बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस में आता है मैप, ठीक है। और ग्लॉसी वर्ड्स इंपॉर्टेंट इसलिए हैं क्योंकि आपको डेफिनेशंस आ सकती हैं उसमें से, दैट इज कम्प्लीटली योर चॉइस, लर्न तो करना ही पड़ेगा, ठीक है।
Ma'am, written.
Written. Shall I move on?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next question is, what do you learn from the principles followed in what do you learn from the principles followed in Belgium and Sri Lanka?
Principle followed in.
Principles followed in Belgium and Sri Lanka.
Yes, ma'am.
फाइन। तो ये इसमें आपको बताना है, जैसे श्रीलंका में मेजॉरिटेरिज्म को फॉलो किया गया तो उसके क्या कॉन्सिक्वेंसेज हुए, उसके बाद बेल्जियम में अकोमोडेशन फॉलो किया गया तो उसके क्या किस तरीके से इट रिजल्टेड इन बेटरमेंट। तो आपको इन दोनों कंट्रीज के जो आपके जो मॉडल्स थे, किस तरीके से पावर शेयरिंग को लिया गया, कहाँ पे अकोमोडेट करा गया, कहाँ पे मेजॉरिटी कम्युनिटी ने जो है अपने सारी विल को इम्पोज किया, उन दोनों चीजों को दिमाग में रखते हुए आपको बताना है कि आपको ने क्या सीखा, मींस क्या आपको समझ में आया कि भाई बेल्जियन मॉडल जो था वो बेटर था कि श्रीलंकन मॉडल बेटर था। पहले आप इन दोनों के बारे में बता दोगे कि भाई ये हुआ तो उसके कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस क्या हुए, ठीक है। आप सिंपल ये बताओगे कि बेल्जियम में अकोमोडेशन को फॉलो किया गया, तो अकोमोडेशन को फॉलो करने की वजह से व्हाट हैपेंड, पीपल वर हैप्पी, सारे लोगों की फीलिंग्स को जो है रिस्पेक्ट दिया गया और पावर जो है वो इक्वली शेयर किया गया अमंग ऑल दी कम्युनिटीज दैट वर देयर इन दी कंट्री, ठीक है। वेयर एज इन श्रीलंका only the majority communities majority community imposed its will on the other communities which were there, which led to civil war in the country. So उसके बाद आप कंक्लूड करोगे क्या कि thus it proves that the power sharing the model that was adopted by Belgium was much better than the Sri Lankan model. तो आप उसमें ये भी या तो ये बता दो कि या तो आप कंट्रीज के नाम लिख दो या फिर आप ये लिख दो द पाथ ऑफ अकोमोडेशन वाज मच बेटर देन द पाथ ऑफ मेजॉरिटेरियनिज्म, राइट
Yes,
क्लास।
ma'am.
हाँ ठीक है।
Yes.
Then many a times you get a question that give points to show difference between horizontal and vertical division of power. Do we have this question in the book also?
No, ma'am.
ठीक है,
No, ma'am.
लिख लो give points to show difference between horizontal and vertical power sharing in modern democracies.
Give points to show difference between.
बेटा
Ma'am, give points to show difference between.
Horizontal and vertical power sharing in modern democracies.
Okay, ma'am.
I'm done.
ठीक है. Somebody has left the meeting.
Ma'am, done.
चलिए ठीक है.
Ma'am, done.
Now next question is, do we have this question in the book? Power sharing is the very spirit of democracy.
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. For the moral reason, there is one question.
Yes, ma'am.
है ना? ठीक है. आप लिखो. What are the moral and prudential reasons?
Yes, ma'am. There is second
हाँ,
question.
ये है ना?
This is there.
हाँ, it is there. Then
Yes,
you don't
ma'am.
need to write it again. No need to write it again. Okay. Then you write. अच्छा, अगर आपको ethnic composition of Belgium आता है तो will you be able to write it on your own or do I need to give this you as a question?
Ma'am, you can
We will write it.
You can give the case.
Okay,
You
write
can
down.
write.
हाँ, write down. Describe the ethnic composition of done.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Describe what have you written, Gargi? Please, if you could read out.
Ma'am, describe the ethnic
Describe.
composition.
Okay, describe the ethnic composition of Belgium, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Write down another question. How the composition. Yes.
Another part of question 7.
No, next question. Yes, Harsh, you need to write the answers of these questions. How the composition of the capital city of Brussels, how the ethnic composition of the capital city of Brussels is different from Belgium as a country.
Ma'am, please repeat.
Ma'am, how the ethnic composition
Of the capital city of Brussels is different from Belgium as a
Yes,
country. Is different from Belgium as a country.
done.
Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you please repeat?
Yes, ma'am.
How the ethnic composition of the capital city of Brussels is different from Belgium as a country.
Yes, ma'am, written.
Okay. Then you have this question in your book. What are the different forms of power sharing in modern democracies?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Just a second. Yes, Srishti, you can always do it that way only. That is why I told you it is either that one or this one. So both the questions you write and answer only one time you write. No need to repeat the answers, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Fine. Though there are several questions, but then when we will be revising, I will give you these questions that time. As of now, these many questions are more than sufficient for your chapter, right?
Okay,
Right.
ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Coming to chapter 2. How many questions you have in book for this chapter? Let me see.
Ma'am, 4 detailed questions.
ठीक है, 4 detailed question. बेटा remind me, in the last class I will share one paper with you which has got some more questions, तो उससे हमारा टाइम से हो जाएगा. आप लोग स्क्रीनशॉट ले लीजिएगा उसका, ठीक है बेटा?
Yes, ma'am.
चलिए, चैप्टर 1 का ही है वो. हाँ, चैप्टर 2 में आपके क्वेश्चंस जो हैं 4 डिटेल्ड क्वेश्चंस है ना. फीचर्स ऑफ, ठीक है, इसमें आपको पूरे 7 के 7 फीचर्स आप कर लीजिए. हो गया, ठीक है. चलो लिखो, सम मोर क्वेश्चंस यू राइट फॉर चैप्टर 2 नाउ. ठीक है. Write down, describe the achievements of the written.
Yes, ma'am.
Describe the
Ma'am,
achievements of
can you please repeat?
describe the achievements of the new system of local governments also mention the problems that are being faced by these bodies.
And also mention the problems that are
Being faced by these bodies.
Ma'am, can you please repeat the question?
Describe the achievements of the new system of local governments. Also mention the problems that are being faced by these bodies.
Yes, ma'am, written.
Written. Then, how is rural local government known in India? What are its different institutions?
Ma'am, could you please repeat the question?
Yes. How is rural local government known in India? And what are its different institutions? After a question mark. 2 parts of the
Ma'am, what are its different?
institutions.
Yes, ma'am, written.
Written? Then a similar question.
Yes, ma'am.
Similar question like this only. Differentiate between Gram Sabha and Gram Panchayat.
Ma'am, differentiate
between Gram Sabha and Gram Panchayat.
Written.
Yes, ma'am, written.
Written. Then explain the major steps taken towards decentralization for making the third tier of
Towards decentralization.
for making the third tier of government more powerful.
Ma'am, can you repeat?
Explain the major steps taken towards decentralization for making the third tier of government more powerful.
Ma'am, written.
Written?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. But these questions which I am giving you, these are those questions which have come, which were there in the board examinations, right?
Board question.
Ha.
Frequently asked question.
Frequently asked questions, yes. Next question is explain how language policy has strengthened federalism and helped our
Please
country.
repeat.
Explain how language policy has strengthened federalism and helped our country avoid the kind of situation that Sri Lanka finds itself in. Repeating, explain how language policy has strengthened federalism and helped our country avoid the kind of situation that Sri Lanka finds itself in. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Kind of situation that Sri Lanka.
The kind of situation that Sri Lanka finds itself in.
Yes, ma'am, written.
Done?
Yes, ma'am, written.
Then next question is state difference between local government before and after the constitutional amendments in 1992. आपको book में दिया हुआ है and only 2 points they have asked you, same question, right?
Yes, ma'am.
But you need to give
Ma'am,
it.
can you please repeat?
But this same question is given in the book also, but there you are asked only 2 points. But sometimes it comes for 5 marks, so you need to write it for 5 marks, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Then another question
Ma'am,
we have.
for 5 marks.
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, for 5 marks, we have to write at most 4 or 5 points.
At least 6 points.
Okay, ma'am.
Fine. Next question you write. Describe how federalism has been practiced.
Ma'am, please wait.
Uh-huh. Describe
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Describe how.
describe how federalism has been practiced successfully
After successfully.
Yes, ma'am.
through the creation of
Yes, ma'am.
linguistic states in India since independence. Linguistic states in India since independence.
Ma'am, written.
ठीक है. Then next question is, how are legislative powers divided between union and state governments in India?
Ma'am, how our legislative powers are divided?
How are legislative powers divided between union and state governments in India? Siddhant is not in the meeting, no? Ujjwal is also not there. Acha. Beta, done this question?
Yes, ma'am.
In this, what answer you are going to write in this question? How you will write this answer? Yes?